Yes, what's up, guys? Welcome today to my tutorial. My name is Fox TZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a leg rhythm instrument, or just simple. Yeah, so welcome, and let's see how I made this with uh, stock plugins. So thank you for staying connected with me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's go. Yeah, so the first things I play here, it is stage grand, it is keyboard, and I just play a simple chord progression here in C major scale. I use C simple scale, so it sounds good. And like this one, no, sorry, I just try to connect something here. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, simple like this one. This is my chord progression. Apart from that, I just played a grand piano. This one, grand piano. So it sound like this one. I just to make it slow. Yeah. Apart from that, I add loads. Loads also instrument. You know. So simple as this one. Just to add some taste to this to the first to the grand piano. So after that, I play jazz. This jazz also is a stock sound. And for this also, I just followed my chord progression. Yeah, simple like this one. So apart from that, I just play acoustic. You know, it's acoustic. Let's try to make something here. Come here. This then make, yeah. I think this will be good. So after that, I just play my blast section. Also, is instrument. This one blast section. I just play simple, but sound good like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. This is how I made this blast section. Apart from blast, let's jump to this one. Is choir. This one. Uh, I just play simple like this one. Yeah, I like the sound of this choir, so I just try to make something cool like this one. After that, let's jump to my first drum groove. Yeah, my first drum grooves here, and it sounds good like this one. Yeah, so then hi-hat, late solo hi-hat, I just go somehow crazy like as you see. Yeah, simple like that. So after that, let's jump to my second drum grooves, and second drum grooves I just use a plugin. This is sample packs, so the second one I just change and shift to this one FPC. It is top plugin. This one is very special for drums, as you see here. So I just play something simple like this one. Yeah, so for me, I just realized I don't want to go uh, crazy on my drum. So after that, I just play some this bass Ibanez from Morphin, cool bass, as you see what is there. While I arrange here, you can know how it's cool. So simply sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. That is my bass. So after that, guy, let's hear how I arrange this and from the scratch. Just my intro, just arrange my first drum pattern and a blast here for the first two. No, yeah, so for here, but in here, so I just add uh, choir also in chorus here, and sub chorus and the chorus. I just add that my second drum groove. So thank you guys for watching, and this is time you to enjoy. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Joe Foxa TZ. Thank you.